Good morning from the Protos newsroom. The date today is Wednesday the 24th of February, and you're listening to the Protos Daily. These are the main headlines this morning. Criminals behind the Motherload Bitcoin scam pulled in another $2 million last week. Jack Dorsey's Square has bought another 3,318 Bitcoin, costing around $170 million. And Tesla's value has plummeted 25% since Elon Musk's February Bitcoin bet. At the current time of publication, Bitcoin is trading around $50,000, up 2.2% for the past 24 hours. Further down the list, all top 20 cryptocurrencies have registered recoveries from the drop yesterday, with Uniswap and Dogecoin being the best performers, up 18% each. And now I'm going to pass it on to Jamie Lowe, who's going to be reading you today's news.
A Bitcoin scam wallet dubbed the Motherload hoovered up another $2 million in crypto last week by pretending to be famous billionaires like Elon Musk. The con, which uses the famous faces of people with big bank accounts, has taken a total of 221 Bitcoin since it first hit the net in August 2020. Two of the Motherload's biggest ever deposits were made in the past few days, 12 Bitcoin on Sunday and 13.8 on Monday. Together worth over $1.25 million. These kinds of scams are deceptively simple. Basically, scammers pose as a fantastically wealthy public figure and claim to be giving away free Bitcoin to anyone who sends them a certain amount of crypto first. Obviously, they then pocket the coins and you never hear from them again. The fake ads are spread around by bots on Twitter linking to fraudulent blogs. Now, if you're ever unsure if one of these seemingly too good to be true deals is a scam, Protos is maintaining a database of domains we've tied to this con, so it's worth checking that out if you log on to Twitter and find that Elon is offering you free Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey's Square has splashed out on another $170 million worth of Bitcoin. The company disclosed the news in its 2020 fourth quarter results, stating it bought close to 3,318 Bitcoin, which, when added to its previous purchase of 4,709, gives it a current holding of $406 million worth of the stuff. The company also outlined its outlook on the currency, saying it believes that cryptocurrency is an instrument of economic empowerment, providing a way for individuals to participate in a global monetary system and secure their own financial future. As well as ploughing big numbers into the currency, Square has also been raking in a fair bit of Bitcoin in its Square Cash app. Last year, it made $4.57 billion through the app. That translated into a $97 million gross profit and a 785% increase on the previous year. Square puts the increase down to the Bitcoin bull run and the explosion in the numbers of Bitcoin customers. And things look like they could get even better as the company revealed that only 10% of the app's users bought Bitcoin. It's not been a great week for Elon Musk with the news that Tesla's value has slumped 25%. That's about $200 billion to you and me. It could be that the company is feeling the after effects of its $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment. However, its cancellation of the low-price Model Y alongside recent price cuts could also be contributing factors, according to Wedbush analyst Dan Ives. The rollercoaster few days saw Tesla's market value fall as low as $620 billion before rallying slightly to sit around $670 billion. However, this is still some way behind the $844 billion it was worth at the time of its Bitcoin investment. By now, it's widely understood just how volatile Bitcoin can be. After all, it dropped by 7% last week, just because Elon Musk tweeted that the price seems pretty high. Yet, large investors like Square, Tesla, and Morgan Stanley don't seem to be able to keep away. Some of Tesla's more cautious investors are starting to sell up, no doubt spooked by just how closely tied Tesla and Bitcoin prices now seem to be. But Musk must have realised this when he made his big Bitcoin bet back in February. So what gives? Back to crypto cons now. And the US Department of Justice announced today that it's charged Serbian scanner Christian Kristic over his involvement in a number of fraudulent cryptocurrency schemes. The 45-year-old founded two crypto investment platforms called Start Options and B2G. And between 2017 and 2018, lured US-based investors into buying securities in the form of investment contracts. Then he simply did a runner with around $7 million of illegal funds. Not the most imaginative scheme ever devised, but a second crypto scam story in the same Protos Daily episode just goes to show how many traps are out there waiting to fleece unwitting investors. In response to this rise in cryptocurrency crime, US authorities are stepping up their game and vowing to make examples of any perpetrators they catch. So good luck, Christian.
Thank you all for listening. To stay up to date with the latest from the world of crypto, make sure you subscribe to the Protos Daily on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and all other major podcast providers.